This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here is pretty much where you go to pretty much search for the memes that you're looking for. As you can see here, you can go to the search option and search for what you want. And as well, you can go at the home section down here and see other memes that are on the application. So this is pretty much a memes maker application. You can create memes, or you can find other memes and recreate them as well. So let's say, for example, you're interested in recreating, let's see, I'm going to scroll down a bit. Let's say you're interested in recreating this meme here. All I have to do is tap on the meme that you want to recreate. Then this option here, and we'll pretty much go in this section here for you to recreate that meme. So all I have to do is change the character. If you want to add the swap the character, you can make sure to select this option, or motion, you can select that option. And as well, you can change the background by just tapping on this and add your own background or what you want to the background to be. And as well, you can change the voice or the character voice. If the character is speaking or anything like that, you can do that as well. So down here you may see like I would say V or version 3. That is pretty much the basic model. If you do want to get a better quality when remixing these AI, you can use the version 4 option. So all of the do is pretty much go ahead and select the version 4, tap on confirm, and do make sure you do have a subscription as well. So that's pretty much it. And as well, we do have the watermark option. We can remove watermark. If you don't have any subscription, pretty much we need to get a subscription to be able to use this feature here. But once you have done all of that, you have uploaded your image of yourself, you want to do that, or upload an image of something that you would like to use as a character, then you tap on the remix option and you're pretty much good to go, and you'll pretty much get these results. So that's pretty much how you remix any one of these AI videos, or we would say preset AI videos. And as well, you do have the trending section. We can see the popular memes that everyone's pretty much using. Can do the same thing, and pretty much, for example, this pretty much tap on that option and go ahead and edit it. So very easy to use. So that's really pretty much for that. You can create your own memes, but you need a subscription. So I won't be able to show you guys that section because I'm going to need a subscription to be able to go into that section. But so if you do want to go in the or create, let's say create your own meme, you can tap on the plus icon here. You have the editor option. You can also use this if you do have something in mind on your own meme. You can tap on the remix option, upload your video, maybe download a video from TikTok. You can do that as well and upload a character that you want to swap with the whoever is in the motion video, and you're good to go. If I do tap on the library option over, they do give you a few options which you can use, but if you do have your own image, you can use it as well. As you can see, you have Ronaldo, you have Ninja Turtle, you have Jesus here as well. I'm not sure these guys, but anyways, so yeah, you do get an understanding. Now, if I do go back in this section here, you do see an editor option. Here you can pretty much create your own video, but as I said before, you're gonna need a subscription for that. And as well, you can also replace the character voice, or let the character say what you want it to say. So let's say, for example, you can upload an image of you, image of Spider-Man, any one of these cartoon characters, or anyone at all, and as well give them an audio, or give them something to say that you want them to say. So all I have to do is just upload your character if it's from your device. If the image is on your device, tap on the device option, or if you want to use something from the application, you can tap on the library option. So here, tap on the upload audio. Here you can enter anything that you want the character to talk or say, or if you don't want that, you can as well go at the my asset section and pretty much upload your audio that you pretty much record or want the AI to say. And as well, you have the music section. If you do want the AI to sing, you can as well use this option as well. So Very easy to use, guys. So that's really pretty much it. Nothing much. If you do go in the plus section again, you do have the wrap option. You can let the AI wrap, as you can see here. You can enter your own or AI generated option. It will just describe the type of song that you want for the AI to sing, and it will just come up with something. But if not, you have your whole lyrics and everything, then you can pretty much tap on the write my own lyrics option, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it for the wrap section. If you do go in the looks lab, all you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself. Once you've done that, or you go ahead and record a photo of yourself. Record a photo of yourself and pretty much tap on the retouch option down here where you see these filters which you can use. Tap on show all option, and again pretty much use any one of these. These are the all options that you'll be able to use, so do keep that in mind. So all I have to do is pretty much upload your video or your picture, and you're pretty much good to go, and you'll pretty much get these results. So very simple. So that's pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use. You have a lot of different sections. You have the outfit, soccer section. You have a lot of sections which you can browse through and pretty much see what you guys want. So that's pretty much it for this video. If there's anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.